Welcome to our continuing series of interviews with international business leaders discussing the impact of the coronavirus crisis. As European countries are working on various scenarios to get out of confinement, most businesses are still operating in slow motion or have stopped operations. This is especially the case in sectors such as hospitality or retail. However, there are some fortunate companies whose products are in very high demand at the moment. Therefore, they have a completely different set of issues to deal with: increasing production capacity, finding additional storage space, and of course, keeping their workforce up and running. Here is one of them. It is my pleasure to introduce to you Xavier Thiry. Xavier is based in Annecy in France, and he's the owner and the chief executive officer of the cosmetics company Provendi.
Well, first of all, you must understand that Provendi has two businesses. One core business, which is the production of raw material for the cosmetic industry. Basically, two raw material for which we have an exclusivity, which is the alum stone, which is a very ancient antiperspirant natural product, and liquid soap. And the second core business, which is a cosmetic OEM producer for existing brand, for cosmetic brands. So you must understand that these days the demand for liquid soap in particular has been growing fast. Impact on my business is positive indeed. Basically, we have a 50% growth on a monthly basis of our sales. The sales of Provendi reached end of 1999 12 million euro. So it's a small company with 55 people working here. It's mainly on the production side. We work with all economic sectors, meaning that my customer base is very diversified, from pharmacy to hypermarkets to garden stores to fragrance shop, wholesalers. I work for cosmetic brands, so I'm on the B2B side, okay? And my main export markets are North America, Asia, Far East, I would say, and Northern Europe. This is an issue, but the main issue is the staff. Because if I don't have manpower, the factory will stop. So this is my main concern every single day, to make sure that everyone is in good health and everyone is complying with rules inside the company. That's very important. So in my role of CEO, I'm going around 2 or 3 times a day to repeat and repeat and repeat again how we should behave within the company to make sure that we can pursue our activity. That's the main issue. Yes, I must say that I've been extremely vigilant on cash management. Our portfolio of customers is very diversified. We have very big names as well as smaller brands. And those smaller brands are indeed at risk. And some of them are exposed on retail market, such as a spa institute or perfumeries, or just small retailers, which are closed these days, as you know, and they will be closed probably 1 more month. It's true that this crisis has proven a real problem of the way the world economy is organized. It's not yet an issue for me, but a lot of friends with factories in mechanical industry or even in food industry, they have been obliged to stop production because one ingredient is missing. Why? Because this ingredient is produced by one factory on the other side of the world. Everyone doesn't want to keep inventory because it costs money. So it's a just-in-time world economy. And this pandemic has proved that something has to be done, probably to relocate some key industry or key product or key raw materials in our geographical area, and probably to revisit the way companies are managed as well. I don't think just in time is a solution to plan for a better future.